Model: 67-plate Vauxhall Combo 1.3 CDTI Crew Van Euro 6 needs turbo body, white, panel van mileage, 122,235 engine, 1,248 cc 1.3 CDTI 95ps E6 transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Nice clean ulez compliant 5-seater factory crew cab features, electric windows EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740119